What if I told you saving $1,000 in 30 days isn't a dream? Most believe saving is for the rich, but it's for the disciplined. Today, I'll show you how to build that discipline. Get ready to stack up your first $1,000 in just 1 month. Welcome to Cash Quick Idea. Here, we transform simple ideas into money moves. If you want to change your financial story, hit that subscribe button. Let's begin your 30-day saving challenge. Let's start with reality. You can't save what you don't understand. Track every dollar you spend this week. Coffee, snacks, subscriptions, write it all down. Seeing the numbers clearly shows how money leaks daily. This first step is awareness. You can't fix what you can't see. Now, let's build your plan. 1,000 in 30 days means saving or earning about $33 daily. Cut unnecessary expenses and add income. Start simple. Cook at home instead of eating out, that's $10 to $15 saved daily. Unsubscribe from unused services, another $5 to $10. Use public transport, walk, or carpool, save another $5. Here's a pro tip, sell items you don't use. Old phones or shoes can bring $100 or $200 instantly. But cutting cost isn't enough, create cash flow. Start freelancing online. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Offer logo design, video editing, content writing, or virtual assistants. Try food delivery or pet sitting, or sell digital products. Just 1 or 2 hours of side work daily can easily meet your saving goal. Once you start earning and saving, automate the process. Open a separate savings account, call it your Savings Challenge account. Move what you save there immediately when you get paid. Don't keep it in your spending account or touch it. Use apps like Capital or Digit to automate micro savings daily. Automation turns discipline into habit. Now, here's the real secret, saving money is more mental than mathematical. Rethink saving as power, not punishment. Every dollar saved gives you control over your time, stress, and freedom. Think of it as buying peace of mind, not losing fun. Imagine this, 30 days from now, checking your account, you see $1,000 extra. Saved by your focus and hustle. This isn't just cash, it's confidence. You learn to control your finances anytime you want. To clarify, this challenge isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much control you gain. Saving that 1,000 builds the foundation for something bigger, financial independence. Here's your 30-day action plan. 1. Track expenses for 1 week. 2. Cut waste, cancel, cook, and commute smart. 3. Add one side income stream. 4. Automate savings. 5. Protect your mindset, no excuses, just progress. You have 30 days to change your money habits forever. Are you ready? Comment below, I'm in, and let's do this together. At Cash Quick Idea, we talk about money, we make money work for us. Thanks for watching, and until next time.